Welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for learning about marketing based in technology for your real estate business. I'm Amy Stack, and in this video, you will learn how to build and make live a leave a review page on your Keller Williams agent site inside Command. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about topics like this, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. The first thing I'm going to do is show you the Command portal and how to get into the back end of your website. So I've just logged into Command. I'm on the dashboard here. And what we want to do is go to the consumer applet on the bottom left. Everything in here is where you can create or edit things that the public sees. So we want to go up to the top right corner and hit create a new site, tap on my agent site, because we're adding a page to our current website. And that will open up the editor for us. First thing you do is go ahead and name your page. I'm just going to title it Review. This is only for you. The public will not see that title. Everything you see on the left is what is a preview of what will happen on the public site, and the right is where you'll do all of your edits. So today we're going over how to create a capture form. So you'll look down at the bottom of the widgets, you'll see one that says testimonial capture form. You're going to click and hold and drag that over to the left until you see the green bar appear, and just let go and the widget will populate. Wherever you see that green bar pop up is where the widget is going to pop up on the left. So if you have multiple widgets and you want to put something above or below it, just keep an eye on that green bar. Then what you want to do is go to the bottom right, tap Configure Widgets, and then tap the widget you want to update. In this case, we only have one, so that's that testimonial capture. And it'll open up the editor on the right. So if you're a team, you want to put your team name here. If not, just put your name. And then your headline text. So you can see on the left where it says headline text, that's what we're editing here. Just want to have it say leave a review. And you can update the description, headline here, and the placeholder text, which is what pops up into this box to kind of prompt people what to say. I'm going to leave it how it is for now and hit save and apply. And you can see all the changes I made are now reflected on the left. So we've got Mary Beth's name in there, and the title is now leave a review. So once you're satisfied with how everything looks on the left, just tap Save Changes in the top right, that blue button. Go ahead and tap Yes. And you've now created the page. It will automatically take you to this page here. We are inside Site and App Settings. So I'm actually going to tap the consumer button one more time because I want to show you how to get here in case maybe you built that page and you need to come back later before making it live. So when you come into consumer, you can type Site and App Settings in the top right and it will take us right back to that page. And then you want to come over to Site Pages on the far right. And this is where we add our pages to our live website. Before I do that, I do have Mary Beth's website pulled up. I'm going to tap on here so we can see how her site appears before we add that page. In our drop-down menu, you see we have School Search and Contact Us. So we're going to add that leave a review page right there. I'm back into Command now. So we're on that Site Pages page, and then we're going to tap Add Page. And the one I just created is called Review. Remember, we named it Review. So tap that little circle, tap Continue. And now we get to title it. So I want to call it Leave a Review. This is what the public will see. So in that drop down I showed you on Mary Beth's page, right here, this is what we are going to title page title right here. So whatever you put here will show in that drop-down menu. And then the slug, you can see there's an example underneath. It's got her website, mblcell.kw.com/. So the slug is just the extension of the URL. So I'm just going to make it /review, and that's to make sure that if you want to send that link directly to somebody for that page, this is what you would send them. Then we have our SEO description. If you are using SEO optimization and keywords, this is the spot you would load them in. If not, just put a short description of your page of what this is, and that'll help the search engines locate this when somebody's searching for it. I'm just going to hit save. And you see we were updated successfully, and on the left-hand side, it is populated over here. If you want to move the order of how these pages show up in your drop-down, you just tap those 6 dots and hold, and you can drag it around. And then you can see it was saved again. So I'm just going to tap on Mary Beth's website, so we can go into a new tab again. We'll refresh this page. Tap our drop down, and now you can see leave a review is there. We'll open it up so you can take a peek, and there it is. So that is how you add the leave a review page to your Keller Williams website. If you're looking to learn how to actually leave a review, build a testimonial page, or make your testimonials live, be sure to watch the other videos in this playlist, and make sure to like and subscribe.